Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2014 Forest River Flagstaff Classic Super Lite 3221 IKBS triple slide travel trailer. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 34 feet 9 inches, and the exterior height to the brand new 15,000 BTU AC unit is 11 feet. I did list this coach about 2 years ago, and the current owners are only selling it because they are upgrading to a motorhome. And this is almost in better shape than it was when they bought it 2 years ago. Brand new AC and the tires. They did install tires on this coach, and I'll show that to you when I get outside. Give you an idea of this floor plan here. All right, let's start off in the living room. First slide out is going to accommodate a freestanding table and chairs in the entertainment center with the fireplace. There's a little marking right here, like they set some wet placemats or something. It's minor. If I didn't point it out, a lot of times you really wouldn't even notice it, but I find it important to point out anything that could be an issue to a potential buyer. But that's really the only thing on the inside of the coach. Fabric seats, nice storage up underneath. Nice pull-out leaf right here. Also, in the first slide out, it's going to be looks like a 32-inch flat screen by Toshiba. Show off that Toshiba badge right there. Your stereo is going to be it's going to have all the good stuff: Bluetooth, CD, DVD, USB port, SD memory card port, all the good stuff. And your fireplace is going to be, I believe it's probably going to be about a 4,800 BTU heating source, enough to break the chill off in this trailer. Day-night shades all throughout. Pan towards the rear here, and nice big bay window. And this coach does have the diamond package on it, which means you have ultra leather finish on all your furniture. The two rear rocker recliners are brown in color, and pretty much if a dealer was going to take this in on trade, they would probably evaluate this as from 1 through 10, 10 being the best. I don't see any reason why they wouldn't rate this a 9. Some dealers might even rate it a 10. Second slide out is going to be definitely a super slide. It's going to be at least 12 foot long, accommodates the hide to bed ultra leather sleeper sofa, and it's a light tan in color. And again, excellent condition. No signs of wear and tear at all. And in the kitchen here, also in the super slide, it's going to be a 6 cubic foot refrigerator with the raised wood paneling by Dometic. Dometic badge right there. And it is cold. The owners have had this coach plugged in for at least 24 hours, I would say, because the freezer is nice and cold. Alright. Also in the second slide out, it's going to accommodate the oven and 3-burner gas cooktop with glass lid for more counter space. Front burner is usually a high output. Huge oven, going to be probably a 22-inch oven. Also with the diamond package, you get Corian countertops all throughout the coach. Show off those cabinets. Not sure what they're calling the cabinets, maybe a cherry with brushed nickel finish on all the hardware. Show off the island here. Island kitchen floor plan. And yeah, I guess it does look like a cherry. And again, Corian countertops are all in excellent condition. You do have Corian finish countertops on each side of the rocker recliners. Nice cabinets above the rear there too. Forgot to point that out. Okay. Show off the double bowl undermounted sink. Pull out sprayer faucet. Microwave. Show off the microwave here. Lots of counter space. Ducted AC, ducted heat all throughout. The AC, as I mentioned, is going to be a brand new 15,000 BTU AC unit with quick dump. got the quick dump feature here where you can open up these louvers and dump air out real quick to cool it off, and then once it's cooled off after a couple minutes, you close these louvers and you get ducted AC all throughout. That's definitely a nice feature. And your furnace is going to be probably a 35,000 BTU furnace. This coach is rated for extended seasons. Some people would even say 4 seasons, but definitely extended seasons coach. You can go into really cold weather if you wanted that option. You got it. It might even be rated at 0. I'm going to say it probably is. All right, going in the master bedroom here. This is going to be your third slide out. Queen bed. The queen bed is a nice firm mattress. It's not a cheapie. It might even be a memory foam, but I'm going to show off one of the reasons why I think Forest River makes one of the best products. Framed out bed, just good fit and finish all throughout on a Forest River product. It's just really nice. You don't really see this in most manufacturers. Most manufacturers will just use wood to frame out the bed. Look at that, nice drawers up underneath the bed for more storage, for blankets and odds and ends. Forest River, definitely my favorite product. Kind of spin around here. You do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed. Nice cabinets above the headboard there. Kind of show off that headboard. Let's show off those window treatments too. Show off the colors. Beautiful bedspread, by the way. There we go. Spin around here. Walk through bath. I'll show that here in a second. Huge closet. Carpet's going to be a tan. It's a normal wear and tear on the carpet. Better than normal wear and tear. Again, this coach, it's been babied. Glass enclosed shower, foot flush porcelain toilet. Show that off right there. Let's kind of show off that. Always try to show off the showers. And the skylight. Always got to point out the fantastic vent fan to get all the stuffy smells out. Nice vanity area. Okay. Show off the monitor panel area here. This is your control center here. Start up at the top left. That's going to be your monitors for your battery, your freshwater tank, your black tank, which is your toilet, and your gray tank, which is your sink and shower tank. To the right of that, the 3 purple buttons, water pump switch, water heater switch, which is a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip a switch on whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power. 15 minutes later, you're good to go with hot water. To the right of that is going to be your tank heaters. So all your tanks are protected in the wintertime. You've got tank pad heaters, so you don't have to worry about them freezing up or anything, which is nice and convenient. Just below that, those are going to be your slide out switches. Easy to figure out on that. And just below that, your lights. And the third button from the left, that's ODS is off door side floodlight, and DS is door side floodlight, basically the scare lights outside. I'll show that to you if I can. There's your thermostat for your heat and your AC. One last look of the floor plan before I go outside. And I do also want to point out right here, that's your battery disconnect right there. A little pull button. Saves you on your battery when you're storing it. This coach is full aluminum framed. Floor, sidewalls, slides, roof, and that's why it's called a super light. Definitely a lot lighter, a lot better built than some of your wood framed, and it does have a full gel coat fiberglass finish. Let's kind of show that off while the sun's kind of hitting it. See if I can get a glare on it. This is a gel coat, not just a high gloss fiberglass. This is the best finish you're going to get on a travel trailer. All your decals are in really good shape. I did notice little scratching, probably from some tree limbs, just little scratches. If I didn't point that out, you probably wouldn't even notice it, but there's no curling on the decals. Excellent condition, I would say, on the decals. Normal wear and tear, definitely. Okay, front molded fiberglass cap, and you can open up that window. That's the bedroom area. On the front here, you do have the power hitch jack here, and 2 30-pound LP tanks with cover. which is nice. The owners do have weight distribution and sway control bar set up with the chains. If you're interested in them, talk to the owner. He's not including it with the trailer, but if you're interested, talk to him. I'm sure you guys can work something out. This does have the power rear, front, and rear power stabilizer jacks. Kind of show that off right there. Enclosed heated underbelly right there. And you can go definitely into extended seasons. There's your gas grill hookup right there. I don't know if you can see that. 110 hookups right here, cable hookup right here. Your TV can hang right here if you wanted that option. You got it. Nice place for a little table or a grill. And again, there's your gas grill hookup there, little yellow plastic cap. As I mentioned, you do have new tires. The tires were dated the 30th week of 2018. The other one was rated on the other side, and I'll show you, 32nd week of 2018. They're pretty much matching, and they were recently installed, so they don't hardly have any miles on them, if any at all. So yeah, see if I can get that gel coat finish. Easy to clean. Oh, frameless tinted bus style windows. The tint's probably going to be at 80% tint. Outside speakers. It does have dual awnings. The awnings are dirty. They need to be cleaned. I guess the owners didn't clean the awnings when they cleaned the camper, but anyway, a little soft scrub of bleach. I'm sure we'll clean them up pretty good. The first awning here is going to be about, I'd say about 10 foot power awning with the LED lights. Kind of show that off there. And this is the main awning. I believe they're calling it 18 foot on this floor plan. And the awnings are adjusting. See the little knobs here? You can adjust them. Do whatever you want for the water runoff, which is convenient. Full walk-on roof to service your brand new AC. I did check this coach for water damage or delamination, which is that bubbling you get caused usually by water damage. Did not find any issues. I did check this coach for stress cracks around the slide outs, and that's caused when you're going down the road, the flexing. You get little tiny cracks. I did check this coach real good for that. Did not find any issues. Forest River makes a heck of a product. There's that Flagstaff badge right there. Spare tire, by the way. This coach is 30 amp service with the marine style cord. You can unplug it, roll it up, stow it away, you're good to go. Cable and satellite hookup right there. Kind of in a tight spot, but try to show off everything. I tell you what, the only decal that was scratched up was that one I showed you in the beginning when I walked outside. All the rest are showroom condition. No curling whatsoever. Aluminum alloy wheels are beautiful, 15-inch, and they do have upgraded the little caps on them. Little nitro chrome caps, little green cap right there. Not the cheap little plastic jobs. It's going to be your exhaust for your 35,000 BTU furnace. This is going to be your service panel. Let's double check. Make sure. I said it's a 6 gallon, and it is. 6 gallon. It says it right here. 6 US gallon. It's going to be where you can hook up your city water. Winterizing, hook up your antifreeze right here, and this is going to be your black tank sewer flush. Rinses out your toilet. You don't have to drag a hose inside anymore. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. This is going to be your gravity water fill for your freshwater holding tank. Not sure what they're calling the size. I should have double checked on that. Again, decals are in excellent condition. There's your off door security light or scare light right there. It's going to be where you're going to hook up your hose, your sewage hoses. Here's your dump valve right there, and then let's see here. Show off. There we go. Low point drain valve right there. So yeah, you can go into extended seasons easily on this coach. And I'm going to correct myself. It's not rated at 0 degrees because your gate valves are all exposed right here. But you can definitely go into colder weather. Let's back up here. Show off that back. Beautiful coach. I'm going to evaluate this definitely a 9. You do have max air vent covers up there, so you can keep your vents open and not worry about water getting in if it rains. Oh, gotta show off the exterior storage here. This is underneath the queen bed. See that framed out aluminum? You're not going to see that in most products. Beautiful camper. You know what I forgot to point out, I think I forgot to point out the unloaded vehicle weight, or the dry weight. Let's show that off here before I finish up this video. When it came off the assembly line, they put this little sticker that tells exactly what the weight is on it, and usually you can find it on the door, and there it is. Dry weight, when it came off the assembly line, 7,463 pounds. If you want to check the VIN number, there it is right there. There you go. The owners did upgrade the screen door, it looks like. Real nice. So kids can't pound on it and rip it apart. Definitely a beautiful camper. Anyway, I know I probably didn't get everything on this camper, but if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.